is Watcharaphon Yongbanthom. You can call me Chef Ja. So today I'm gonna show you how to cook the Tom Yum Talay. For the Tom Yum Talay, in Thailand we call Talay, right? The Talay is meat seafood. For the seafood today, I show you the ingredient. The ingredient we will have the galanga, lemongrass, coriander root, kaffir lime leaf, chili, shallot, chili paste, fish, mushroom, shrimp, squid, fish sauce, lime juice, chicken stock, and cream. And then for the end of the dish, we will garnish with the lemongrass slice and the coriander leaf. Before we start to cook, I have to give you something. So it will be like when you cook the food, if you have the heart, your food will be like more delicious. Okay. For the first, we will start to heat the heat, and then we add the chicken stock. And then for the first, we will boil the herb. We add the galanga, lemongrass, and coriander root. And then the important of the soup, we put the kaffir lime leaf. For the kaffir lime leaf, every time when you use, you have to break it. But you get this one and take out of the stem like this. If you not break the kaffir lime, the aroma will not come out. And then we just keep boiling the water. Then we add the shallot. When you saw the stock is boiling already, we will start to seasoning. The first, I will put the chili first. I put all the chili, and then I will add the chili paste in oil. And then I will seasoning with the fish sauce. For the first, we need our stock is a little bit salty first. And when you put the seafood, you make sure the stock is boiling. For the first one, I will put the shrimp first. Here. And fish. When you do the seafood, you don't need to stir the soup because it's we will make your soup become fishy. You just push it down, cover with the stock, and then just turn over. And then I will add the squid for the last one because the squid is easy to cook. Then I will add the mushroom on the top, coriander. When you make sure the seafood is cooked already, you just add lime juice for the last. Okay, and cream. If you cook in the house, you don't like the creamy, you just skip off the cream. But this one I need like the creamy soup, so I add the cream. Okay, and then you just turn off. Okay, for now we will play that. This is my favorite. And the last one. Lime juice for make the smell fresh of the lime. Now our Tom Yum Talay is done. So enjoy. ขอให้มีความสุขในการกินนะคะ ขอบคุณค่ะ